What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? Ooh, ooh. What's happening, y'all? Welcome. I am your girl, TonyaNicole, and you guys have now clicked into my bomb ass unboxing world. Today on the platter, we have the Big Daddy Premium for December. So if you guys want to see what's in this right here, stay right there. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. What's up, party people? Welcome. As I said before, I am TonyaNicole, and thank you guys so much for clicking that button and rocking with your girl. Y'all know I greatly appreciate you, don't you? Absolutely. Today's drink, we have a little bit of water. So we're going to take
a dance break and a drink break.
Before we go any further, guys, I want to give a big, huge shout out to my 5 first commenters from Wednesday's video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl early. I greatly appreciate you all. Today, guys, we're going to be tackling BoxyCharm Premium. I'm excited to see what I got. Ooh, I hope it's something good. Before I do that, though, I want to talk about Choice. So Choice for January was posted on BoxyCharm's website that it was going to start, I think, for 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which I think is 11 a.m. my time, if I'm not mistaken. So I had my alarm set. I'm waiting. Soon as 11 o'clock hits, boom, I go on the site, nothing. No Choice, no pop-up, nothing. I'm refreshing, nothing. And it's like, okay, what the hell, BoxyCharm? So like 45 minutes later, they open up Choice, and most of the stuff is already gone. Now, I don't know how I feel about that. I mean, I think if you're not going to honor the time that you put up, you should just open it and not let anybody know you just happen to stumble across it. Or at least if you advertise a time, make sure that your site is ready for that time, because it's like very disappointing and aggravating. Because I was reading some comments, people were on their lunch breaks trying to get their Choice items, and BoxyCharm was playing with them, so they couldn't pick. They had to go back. I mean, it was a big thing. And then the choices weren't really too hot, I don't think. I ended up getting a Fenty powder, setting powder, and I don't remember the second product. I'll put it down here somewhere, guys, if I can find it. But yeah, so BoxyCharm, I'm gonna need y'all to do better with Choice Day. Okay, today we have the premium, guys. We're gonna do some quick specs, unbox it, and oh, we're done, boo. So this is the premium box, guys. It is the middle tier for BoxyCharm. There's a base box, the premium box, and then every quarter there is a boxyluxe, which I have canceled like a few months back. It just wasn't giving me good vibes, you know? This one is $35 per month. You get 6 full-size products in this box each month, and they let you choose 1 product each month as well. The value is supposed to be around $215. If you want to subscribe, my link is down below. So let's cut this baby open and see what it do, boo. Y'all ready? Let's go.
Got my little box cutter.
All right, guys, so when we open it up, that is how we are looking. And it is packaged pretty well. I must say they have bubble wrap, foam, so I am happy to see that. I'm going to move some stuff around. We're going to sit her down, and we're going to see what this big baby got in it. We do get a card every month. The theme for this month is Bubbles and Glitz. On the back, they give us a list of all of the products we received as well as the value. I will put everything down below, and also at the end of the video, I will let you guys know which variation I received. So let's go on and dig. I'm gonna move all of this. First up, is an Elemis product. Now, I am happy because I received that Elemis, ooh, I forgot what it was called, in my BoxyCharm base box, which if you have not checked that video out, please check it out. It was up on Wednesday. I'll link it up top for you guys just in case you missed it. But we got an Elemis product up in there. It's like a moisturizing primer. But now we have the Elemis Pro Collagen Eye Revive Mask. Okay, Holly girl, we got another eye mask right here. But I love Elemis products. They are very expensive. That's why I love when they put them in these boxes. This is an anti-wrinkle multi-use eye mask. It's for fine lines and tired looking eyes. That's your girl. Girl, I have been, ooh. You get 15 milliliters of product in here, and let's open this baby up. Oh, this is a pretty jar. That's what it's looking like right there, my loves. And when I open it up, it has a safety seal. Oh, okay. Oh, I thought that was pus, guys. It reminded me of like pus. Okay, so this is what the inside is looking like. It doesn't really have a scent, but I am going to take a little bit so I can see how she feels. No scent though. Wow, it feels really nice and hydrating on my skin. Can't really tell anything, guys, but I will be incorporating this baby into an eye routine. Yeah, boo. We're about to change up this skincare thing. I need to start going into some heavy hitters for this little wetness coming up. All right, y'all. So this is the Elemis Pro Collagen Eye Revive Mask. And this retails for, holy girl, $82. Oh my God. So it says the future of eye care is here, featuring an innovative cloud-like gel formula. This serum-infused eye mask is clinically proven to minimize the appearance of wrinkles while helping to reduce the look of puffiness and dark circles around your eyes. $82, one application should do that, right? What y'all think? Drop down in the comments, boo, and let me know. Would you repurchase this for $82? Oh, I don't know, girl. It's got to work some real magic, huh? Let me drink, girl. Next up, we have from Elizabeth Mott, and this is the It's So Big Volumizing Mascara right here. And let's see. Let me see what it says on this card here. So the volumizing mascara of your dreams, this mega volume long lash max curl mascara. It lasts all day with no smudge. It features flexible tubing polymers that coat each lash, making it water, tear, and sweat resistant to hold your lashes in place all day. This retails for $20, loves, and I'm not going to open it up because I have a lot of mascaras right now, but y'all know 2021 we're gonna be doing more makeup looks and stuff, so I'm excited for that. That's what it looks like right there, my loves, and it is 20 buckaroos. I can see paying 20 bucks for a mascara, especially if it's a good one, because y'all know I'm a part of the itty bitty lash committee. Not a good look. All right, next, guys, we have from Crown, and this is the All Eyes on You 5-piece Luxe brush set. That's what it's looking like right there. All right, it includes a eyeshadow brush, blending crease brush, chisel shader brush, precision detail crease brush, and a shadow base brush. So let's open these up. Oh, and they're white. Okay, cool. That's what they're looking like, guys. I'm not going to open these because right now I have so many brushes. So I'm not going to open these. I will be putting this into a future giveaway. But I do have some Crown brushes that I've tried in the past. Some of them are hit or miss, but these look like they're pretty decent. So these retail here $34.95. Okay. I don't know if I'll pay $34 though. I don't know. Crown brushes? Ooh, I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that price. $40 for a 5-piece eye brush from Crown brushes? I don't know. Oh, girl, next up we have a Fenty Beauty product. Oh my God. And this is the Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick. We have the shade, ooh, Madame. Girl, this looking like a hook of red, girl. Let me see. Look at the packaging. It's so gorgeous. I love Fenty. Girl, look at this color. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh, I gotta take this lip off and put this on. Oh my goodness. Let's take this off. Wait. I didn't really do a good job taking the lipstick off, guys, but we're gonna put this on top of this because I want to see what this look like. Oh my God. Okay. I'm like, I'm sold. I love this color. And it is a matte lipstick. I had a little bit of tug putting it on, but I did just wipe that other stuff off. But it doesn't feel like I have anything on. This right here, guys, is the Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick, and it retails for $18. And I'm so glad they gave me a color that I could work with, especially a red with the holidays coming up. Oh, girl, I'm going to be wearing this for Christmas. Yes, look at that. Just look at that. Oh, whew, winner, winner, chicken dinner. 2 more products. So we're going to pull this out next, and this is a palette. So I have the True and Luscious Lucky Glow Bronze and Highlighting Palette here. On the back, it shows you the shades. And you're supposed to get, let's see, I don't know how many bronzers or highlighters. Let me check. This Anytime, Anywhere Summer Essentials palette features ultrafine textures and pure pigments in a sheer base to create a veil of luminous, skin-loving color, where each luxurious handcrafted shade alone or blend together for a customized look. And this retails for $46 right there. And let's open it up. Oh, we got a mirror. Hey, boo. And, ooh, this is gorgeous, y'all. Look at that. Wow, those shades are so, so, so pretty. I did get a face palette in my base box that I'm going to put in a giveaway. So I think we might swatch this one. This one looks very pretty. I'm not sure how many skin tones this will complement, but we'll see. Let me just swatch a couple of them. They do feel really nice, though. Let's do these 4. That's what they look like right there. That's how they swatched out. Okay, some of them are a little powdery, but this gold right here, ooh, that's beautiful. Okay, so we'll be trying this out as well. This retails for $46, guys. And let me know if you received this palette. I think every premium member received this one, if I'm not mistaken. Let me know. And then finally, we have my choice item, which is another palette. And this is the Viseart or Viseart Professional Makeup Palette. And I forgot the color that I chose. Oh, it says Neutral Matte. All right, let's see. Oh, look at that. That's the palette right there. I thought I picked the one with the blue shade. Maybe not. It does not come with the mirror. These are the shades right here, my loves. I've heard some pretty decent things about this palette. It just looks like a nice, pretty, everyday neutral palette. They have some nice browns and this little bronzy color here. So this would make a nice everyday palette. I don't really know how their formula blends out because I haven't used a shadow from them before, I don't think. But I know this is very pricey. It retails for $80. Now, y'all, come on. Y'all would pay $80 for this palette? I don't know. And it doesn't come with a mirror, and it's like plastic up here. I don't know. I don't know. For $80, I expect like packaging that's like mind-blowing. I'm not going to swatch this. I'm going to put this in a giveaway as well. So that was all that I have in my box, my loves. Let's quickly recap, do final thoughts, and we're going to rate everything, and we're going to be done. We received from Elemis this eye cream here. From Fenty Beauty, this beautiful red lipstick in Madame. From Viseart or Viseart, we received this eyeshadow palette. From Crown Brushes, this 5-piece Luxe brush set. From True and Luscious, this Lucky Glow palette. And from Elizabeth Moth, this mascara. So these 6 products right here. Final thoughts on this month's premium was... I'm actually pleased, guys. I love the fact that we only got 1 skincare product. Everything else is makeup. We got a face palette. We got an eyeshadow palette, a beautiful lipstick, as well as a mascara and some brushes to go with it. Ooh, girl, I think this was a pretty decent premium box. I received variation number 4, and I'm going to put the total somewhere around here for you guys to see, but I enjoyed this month's premium box. I do wish, however, that BoxyCharm would start doing more premium box spoilers because they really don't hit us with a lot for the premium box, and it's kind of like an afterthought. But this box here, I'm going to say it was pretty decent. If I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw the damn zoo! To 5 being this box is the bomb.com. You know what I'm saying, boo? We're going to give BoxyCharm for the month of December and their premium box a whopping 4. I really enjoyed the products, guys. I love that it is makeup heavy. These are the types of boxes that I love seeing. So I am pleased. I told you a variation 4. Let me know down below what you guys received, the variation you got. Make sure before you leave, you hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. BoxyCharm's link will be down below. That's all that I have, my loves. I will see you all in the comments and on my next video. Bye.